That's how you know that it's a medium. What's up, everybody? I'm back, and in this video I'm going to do a little quick walkthrough on the Pyrahna Kayaks Scorch medium. So this is the medium. I had the large for maybe, you know, a few weeks, and I've got a chance to really paddle the large, and it came in, and at my weight I'm right around about 175, 180. So I felt I was a little bit on the low side. Let that go by. I was a little bit on the low side of the large, and I've always wanted, so it made me curious where I would fit in the medium. So I'm going to give you guys a good rundown on at the weight about 175, 180 between the large and the medium. So I'll compare it to the large here in a minute, and I'll let you see them side by side there. But yeah, so we got the large on the right, the medium on the left. You can see, if you want to know what's a large and what's a medium, it's engraved right there. That looks pretty much the same. Definitely see the width right behind the hips. Look at that width back there behind the hips. It's way more narrow coming back. Looks faster. Yeah, just like I said, see that? Look at that difference there and there. It's a slightly more narrow. Looks like the lines run about the same. This one is used, so it's going to be a little more worn. We'll go ahead. I'm not going to walk through it too much. If you guys want to check out the entire outfitting and all that, go check out at the end of this video. I'll leave a link to the walkthrough of the Scorch large where you could see all of the specs and all that. But I'll throw this, so yeah, on the specs, this one I think's about 2 inches shorter. The medium comes in 2 inches shorter. I think it's about 8 gallons less than the medium, than the large. The large comes in at 90. I think this is 82. I'll throw the specs up on the screen now so you can kind of look at the specs on it, the weight, the length, and the volume. But yeah, there it is in its glory. And I'm out here on the Chihuahua River. Once again, there's the hull. Got that beautiful edge that I liked on the large. Stenciled Pyrahna logo on the bottom. That's been kind of their thing. The wave deflectors look a little smaller than what they were on the large. The large had bigger wave deflectors. These look a little smaller. And I think it's about, you know, I think it's about a ½ inch more narrow. Check out the specs to see the new graphic, Advanced Whitewater Kayak, new hardware, just like on the other one. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to go over as far as the walkthrough. Like I said, I'm not going to like go over a lot on the walkthrough because I did do a full-on walkthrough of the Pyrahna large, the Pyrahna Scorch large. So go check that out, and yeah, we'll see how this feels. So I'm sitting in it. Right away, sitting in it, it feels comfortable. It feels very comfortable. It feels like a true medium to me. Just sitting in it, this feels like a true medium. You can see, I think I can bring my bulkhead back one more maybe. You can see where I got my bulkhead. They changed their hardware out. That's pretty much all I got on the walkthrough. If you guys want to check out the large, I'll leave a link at the bottom. I'm about to do the on-water, so go ahead and check out the on-water review of the medium compared to the large. But yeah, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Oh yeah, let's get this thing on the water. Look at that. Look at that bow rocker, baby.